Hey y'all, so I finally got my truly tiny banana plant. I ordered this maybe March 21st or March 22nd on Amazon. It was shipped out on March 23rd. Yeah, March 23rd, it was shipped out with DHL. Now it stayed in California for maybe 2 weeks. It finally started moving and got to Orlando after the 2 weeks. It stayed in Orlando for a couple days. I did not get a message from the USPS that it was transferred to them until like maybe yesterday in Orlando, but it was out for delivery this morning with USPS. Okay, so it came. Here's the unboxing. It's been what, 18 days or so? It's been in this box with no light, no water or anything. So we about to open this and see what's up. Y'all kind of see how tall the box is from there, okay? So let me get a box cutter. I hope this thing ain't dead. $18 days or so. I don't know what to expect. It's smaller than I thought, I know this. But, all right, so this is what's going on so far. I see black spots. Absolutely, truly tiny, but still got some green. The box did not need to be even that big, but here we are. This is like taped up. This is masking tape. It looks absolutely ridiculous. I probably got that one leaf at the top is the only good leaf. This should have been in better condition. Let me see how wet it is. It's not as bad as I thought. Might be doable. Definitely dry. Completely dry. Definitely truly tiny. It's completely dry. So this leaf definitely has to go. I don't even know if I could call this a leaf at that moment. I'll probably cut 3 leaves off it, leave 2 for photosynthesis, and water it and see where it goes. Wish me luck.